So, it went down. It was 51, now it's 49. Okay, so, ooh, almost threw the thing and fell at the same time. Yeah, I got some white on my face because I had to start over.
Don't come for me, bitch.
I have a guest over here. This little circle, yeah, that's her head. So, welcome to bonus video 3. This is the look that I'm going for today. So, her whole face is white. So, because I couldn't find like white makeup, I just grabbed some Halloween. I almost said music again. Almost grabbed some Halloween makeup. Also, I did things a little differently this time. So instead of taking the plastic off when I get to that tattoo, I took all of the plastic off ahead of time. Because as you know, in my previous videos, I left those on. And then the tattoo got stuck to the plastic instead of my face. So that's how that went. Also, there's not enough of this white makeup to make my face completely as white as hers. But we're going to make it pretty white. Like, I thought the whole face was going to look like that, and it doesn't. Which is probably a good thing because that's not necessarily hers. Like, maybe in her cheeks, and maybe, like, straight down center of her face. But other than that. Also, I don't have a beauty blender. My sister's dog ate it.
Not too funny.
Not really.
So neither.
Oof. So yeah, so I'm gonna apply all of this white makeup. I don't necessarily want to use a brush or anything because it's very thick. It's the thick Halloween makeup. It's kind of working. I mean, it's not gonna like look exactly like hers does because I'm sure she used like contour or something. And again, I'm not a beauty guru, so I got amateur skills. So we're just gonna keep on applying this. And I'm gonna finish that and then I'll be right back. Okay. We're back. And I have a white face. Okay. So, she's kind of got like this reddish color on her lids. So I'm gonna do that to mine. I have this reddish color in this palette here that I'm gonna use to do that. Although it's turning out more black than it is red. Okay, so it's not necessarily red, but I smeared it right here. But it's okay. It's a little, I can lighten it up with this color next to it. There we go. So she has it all the way up almost to her brow. But when I do that, I look like a clown, so I'm not necessarily gonna... Well, I guess I'm gonna have to, because I'm recreating her look here. Alrighty, just gonna put some on this lid here. I just look dead.
Huh?
I just look dead.
You look like you saw a ghost.
Oh, maybe I did. Okay, so we're gonna mix some colors here. We'll see if we can lighten this up. And we're gonna, she also has some right underneath her eye. So we're just gonna, you know, pat that up. See, now looking under that, it kind of looks a little, no, it still looks black on camera. But that's okay. Alrighty. So, now that we have that out of the way, she has eyeliner on. Ooh, I almost ruined it again. Except this time, I almost dropped it into the sink. Okay, so she has eyeliner on. We're gonna move the picture over here because I'm not trying to mess up the tattoos. Okay, so she's got eyeliner on both her bottom lids and her top lids. So we're gonna do that. And then she has it like not directly on her top lid, but she has like this part that's kind of going over. Like, you know how when you have liquid liner and you got the point and then you kind of like draw it on and then you put a wing? I don't have liquid eyeliner, so we're gonna try to do this with just a regular pencil here.
I might.
I've never done this in my life. Okay, I feel like hers are further out. Let the funny begin, because that looks like someone punched the side of my eyeball.
That doesn't look too bad.
No?
Uh-uh.
Alright, well, I'm going to do the other one.
Doesn't look professional.
And I'll be right back. Okay, so here's what we've got. They're uneven, but I like this side a little better. So Ashley is going to go and get
I'm back.
her
Bitches.
makeup because she
No,
said she said that she has some red, possibly. Because
My shirt's red.
I want this to be more red, and I feel like it looks really black.
It looks realistic to what the picture is, but you can't really see it on camera.
Yeah, so I want it to be more red. Let's see, we got her a bunch of makeup kits.
Because I don't wear makeup.
She expressed that she wanted to learn how to do it. And so all of us were like, hey, well, you can't learn how to do it if you don't got makeup. So we all gave her makeup, and, well, here she is. Preferably something more powdery. But if that's all you have, then that's all you have. Okay, so I actually see a part that I missed. On hers, she links it up at her tear duct. So I'm going to go in and link those together.
These are reds.
Can I just use a little bit of that one?
Mm-hmm. Dang, not with your finger. Use that brush.
What brush?
The thing that I
this
gave
one?
You. The ghetto one.
The ghetto one. In the ghetto. Okay. I made it a little bit redder, which is what I wanted. Hmm.
No,
Yes, but no.
Heck no. Let me see your face.
What did I do? Did I smear it? I did. It's okay. It's okay. I purposely did that because she has it shadowed out right here. So I purposely did that. Okay, so next. So she's wearing mascara. I don't have fake eyelashes. So I will just put these.
I do. I have fake eyelashes. Do you want to use them?
No, because I didn't get them. But I feel like
I have more than one. And I have mascara, or not mascara, eyelash glue.
this is a scary sight.
I can't apply mascara with looking at things. I'm blind, so like, I just can't do that. You might have to dip it again. That mascara is not that good.
Good point. I didn't think about that.
Your eyelashes are super small.
Aren't they though?
Aw, she has tiny eyelashes.
I do. Look how tiny they are.
They're so tiny you can't even see
I know.
Yeah, my eyelashes you can see.
Okay.
And there's
So
no
we have
mascara on
that. Alright, let's take a look here. Okay. So before we apply the tattoos, she's got some weird black shading in different areas. We're going to do the shading first.
Actually, you should probably do the stickers first so you know where to shade.
Well, I already know where to shade.
Yeah, but then you can use the stickers as an outline.
My only issue is this is really black and those are faded. So.
Well then, I don't know.
So I know about right here.
You have an eyelash on it.
Wow, I so do. And I know she has it on this side. And then it kind of like comes out and goes over here. And then
your cheekbone.
The cheek. And then it comes out over here. And she kind of got it dipped over here. And all of that's covered in. Okay, and we're gonna, there we go. It's kind of, okay, don't look at this. I don't know what this is.
I don't know what that is either.
And then she's got a big splotch.
To connect, goofy.
Just kind of chilling.
Oh my gosh. In her defense, she said she's not a professional.
No, by no means am I a professional.
Well,
like
that speaks for
itself. You
itself.
see this? I told you it was time for the funny. These videos are hilarious. Okay, and then she has her entire nose.
Isn't that a sticker?
No. This is the sticker for it. It goes right on top.
I heard my name.
We're just gonna color this in.
Imagine if this doesn't come off and you have to wear this to work tomorrow.
Oh no. Maybe I'll get some viewers that way. Yeah, come watch my video. Watch me make a fool of myself. This is the aftermath. Okay, so I believe, unless I forgot a spot, that is all of the makeup that she used. I will do the lips after. because the lips doesn't really like interfere with anything. So we're going to start with this chin piece. And like I said before, I used my brain a little bit. And I took all of the pieces off so that this time I don't accidentally get it stuck to the thing.
To the thing. Love that explanation.
Ow. Okay. So there's the first one. It's not very centered, but that's okay. And then we're gonna do...
weak. Hey, how you doing?
This one's next. Alrighty. So they didn't really curve it correctly to fit on mine, and the corner came off. But that's okay. So these ones are next. Okay, so we got half of that on. We're gonna do these little cheekbone pieces next. So
that's bright. Look, it's so bright. It's blocking my hair. Anyway.
That's funny. Do you see how half of that just came off?
Just stick it back on.
Am I not leaving it on long enough?
Apparently not.
Last time I left it on too long. There we go.
I'm fucking dead.
Okay, so we got the first one on there. Now we need the second one.
Line it with the cheekbone.
My cheekbone right there. Alrighty. Making way. Okay, so next we're going to do the little whiskers. So that would be these pieces. I have decided that there's nothing that I can do to make 100% of these tattoos work. Because I either leave them on too long, or I don't take the paper off, or I don't give it enough time to brew.
To brew?
Yeah. These ones, I took the paper off, but now I can't get them to stick. Because you see how splotchy they are? So that's what happens when you take the paper off ahead of time. When all you're trying to do is be prepared, because you know you're going to put them all on. Okay. So, let's see here. Would you look at that? I have whiskers. Alrighty. So now I'm going to go and do the other side. Alrighty. Your girl has whiskers. So we're going to do this little nose piece here. I'm going to just stick it right there on my nostrils. So while I'm doing this, comment down below what your favorite look was. Was it bonus video 1, bonus video 2, or bonus video 3? Obviously, you won't be able to talk about video 3 until the end of this video, so give yourself time to finish watching this. But I just realized the little thing that goes up into this part, gone. It went away. Don't know where it went. It was like, see ya. Okay, so now we're gonna do these pieces. So they're very tiny. So I think part of the problem is the fact that I'm wearing thick makeup underneath it, so it's harder for it to stick to my skin because right off the bat it's sticking to the makeup, which in turn makes it stick to my face. Or, I mean, not my face, to the paper. And I put that little eyepiece on a little crooked, but that's okay. So, see, it's still on the thing. So I gotta do it longer. That turned out way better than this side. Okay, so we're gonna do our eyebrows next. If I can pick it up. I'm gonna do these next. My eyebrow was raining. Oh. Do I look like a cat yet? Let's hope this isn't getting stuck to my eyebrow. Not yet. Come on, stick to my eye. Stick to my eyeball. I swear these never wanted to work. Arrgh. Look at it, it half came off. Okay. Look what I just did.
Huh.
What?
I have an idea.
Guys, she's got an idea.
My next video is gonna be after you get out of the shower.
Okay.
And it's gonna be I do my sister's makeup for the first time. Or I do makeup for the first time. And it would basically be me doing your makeup.
Aw, that's cute.
Because I can't see my face well enough to do my own makeup.
Tell me
I would
why.
need contacts and I'm too blunt. What the hell happened to your eyebrow?
You know what? We're not going to talk about that.
Is that an eyebrow accessory or an eyebrow?
Oh no. Look at my eyeball under that. Hey guys, how you doing? You look at my eyeball? My eyeball?
Alright, that's enough of that.
No, it was on there and then it decided to come off halfway through me taking off the paper. There we go. There's my eyebrow. I got my eyebrow on. Okay, so we have 2 more things to put on, and then this look is done. And that's these little cute things that you put in between your eyes.
Oh shit, I almost fell.
Wow. Okay, we're on the last tattoo, guys, of this look. And then, the only thing that we have left to do is the lips.
This?
I've got a bunch of stuff for the lips.
What is this? Oh shit. This is cool. I like that. Oh, okay, I'm about to use this. Okay. I have to see myself.
Wow. I don't know why it doesn't stay on my forehead. Like, come on. Get off the paper and come to my skin. I swear, every time I have new problems. And every time I try to improve it to not have problems. And do you think it's working? Because I don't. I do not think that it's working. Can you even see it? I'm trying to hold this rag on it so that it'll work, and it's not working. Did I? Okay, do you think it's ready? Well, that one, okay, the top still came off, but it came off a little bit. That's not bad. Okay, so now, because I don't have a purple, like lip thing, excuse me.
Oh, sorry.
Because I don't have a purple, or I couldn't find a purple, I got 3 different things for my lips that are all purple-ish, and she's got like a hint of like a pinkish red in there, so I got this. And then I've got this color, and then I have this, which is what I used last time. Did you notice how when I did that, the light flickered?
Uh-huh.
So we're going to start with this. Actually, no, we're not. Let's be smart and start with the lipstick.
Now, I think that's kind of like a matte, so use that last.
Okay.
Because as you can see, it's stuck on my lips.
Yay, it is. Although I'm trying to make it purple, not red.
And hers is a glossy more than anything else.
Okay, so we're going to start with this.
You should take this out more.
Should I?
There you go. Oh, not that much. Not that much. Like that.
I almost don't need all three of them. Because this color, I mean, it's not the color. You can't tell in the video. Psych. You can see where my lips split open.
I look like a clown.
You look like a clown. Have you seen me?
Yeah, look at my lips.
She said, yeah, look at her lips. Okay, let's look at your lips. You look fine on camera.
Oh, whoa.
Wow. Okay, so now that we have that on, we're going to add a little bit of this gloss.
I need new makeup wipes. These are dry.
Ooh.
In and out. They're not dry, but they're getting dried out.
Let's get some
Those are huge.
color in there. I'm going to get that glossy color in there. The idea is to try to get a purplish color. And we're going to finish it off with this red. But based off of her lips, we're not going to add that much. She says as she adds more. How did I get it on my tooth?
Because it's on your lips. Go like this. Look. I don't want to like do it because I had makeup stuff on my hand, but
She told me to do that, and now look what's on my finger.
well, yeah, that helps get it off where it'd be touching your teeth.
I look like the Grinch.
You are the Grinch.
Ah! Wow.
How the Grinch stole her face. Oh, shit.
Also, you see how my hair just peeked out of that? Anyways. Okay, so now that I did that, I want to bring it back out of the red. Just a smidge, so I'm going to add some more of this. And I think that's as close as we're going to get. Because neither of these are like really purple by themselves. So, I'm so sorry. I cannot have that piece hanging out like that.
Oh, this is a nice color.
Okay. The finished look, ladies and gentlemen. Why is it the stuff that I want to be red shows up as black, and stuff that I want to be purple shows up as red?
This lipstick is cute.
What's up with all the black on my face?
Yikes. It looks like...
Oh, no.
It looks like what was supposed to happen went through a hurricane. And,
I got hit.
then a bomb. And then maybe a, like, tornado.
Okay, let's pose like her. Psych! Cannot do that. Okay. What you think? I feel like this piece...
I feel like the tattoos are not that good.
No, they were
Sorry.
not.
I feel like, honestly, if you had, like, liquid eyeliner...
Oh, yeah, the wings would have been a little bit better.
No, you can honestly just draw all that on. Better.
What do you mean?
Maybe
oh,
not
like the lines, the tattoos?
Yeah.
Gotcha.
And I feel like now that you know kind of what the black is for, like the black makeup, you can kind of like do the tattoos first.
Obviously,
and then outline it.
I don't look like this because, well, you know, hello. But I feel like parts of it makes me look like it. Like this part. Obviously not 100% because, hello, have you seen the rest of my face? But that's what I keep getting. Alright. That's my 3 bonus videos. I didn't have anything to like completely dress up for Halloween, but I saw these at my mom's store. And they're each $1, so I thought, oh, well, that would be fun. I can sort of dress up, I can do up my face, and I can try to make a challenge out of it, and that's to get as close to this, to replicate the model onto my own face. So I only used the tattoos in these that the models used on these. And yeah, and I went to the store and I bought whatever I thought I would need to be able to do those models. And I tried not to use anything else. I did break a couple times because I did use her mascara and I used some of her red eyeshadow.